When it comes to finding the top interior designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, one name that stands out is SCON Design India Pvt Ltd. With their expertise and creativity, they have become a renowned name in the field of interior designing. SCON Design is known for their innovative designs that blend functionality with aesthetics, creating spaces that are not only visually stunning but also practical. They have a team of experienced and skilled designers who understand the unique requirements of each client and provide customized solutions to meet their needs. SCON Design has established a strong reputation for their exceptional work in HBR Layout, Bangalore. Their designs are known for their attention to detail and use of high-quality materials, ensuring that every project they undertake is of the highest standard. Whether it's a residential or commercial space, SCON Design has the expertise to transform any space into a beautiful and functional environment. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They believe in building strong relationships with their clients and work closely with them throughout the design process. From the initial consultation to the final execution, SCON Design ensures that every step is carried out with utmost professionalism and precision. Their team of designers and craftsmen work together seamlessly to deliver projects on time and within budget. SCON Design has a diverse portfolio of projects in HBR Layout, Bangalore, ranging from residential apartments to commercial spaces. They have successfully completed numerous projects, each with its own unique style and character. Whether it's a modern minimalist design or a traditional Indian-inspired theme, SCON Design has the expertise to bring any vision to life. When it comes to finding the top interior designers in HBR Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Pvt Ltd is a name that stands out. With their impeccable design expertise and attention to detail, SCON Design has established themselves as one of the leading interior design firms in the area. Their commitment to creating unique and personalized spaces has made them a favorite among clients looking for exceptional interior design services. What sets SCON Design apart from other interior design firms is their ability to blend functionality with aesthetics. They understand that a well-designed space should not only look beautiful but also serve its purpose efficiently. Whether it's a residential project or a commercial space, SCON Design takes into consideration the client's requirements, budget, and timeline to create designs that are both practical and visually stunning. The team at SCON Design comprises highly skilled and experienced interior designers who are passionate about their craft. They have a keen eye for detail and are well-versed in the latest trends and techniques in the industry. This allows them to create designs that are not only contemporary but also timeless. From selecting the right color palette to choosing the perfect furniture and accessories, every aspect of the design is carefully thought out to ensure a cohesive and harmonious look. SCON Design believes in collaborating closely with their clients throughout the design process. They understand that every client is unique and has their own preferences and tastes. By actively involving the clients in the decision-making